Met you.
Yes.
Hello, anticipatory bail application was filed yesterday. Yesterday we filed the petition, but it was not listed. Can it be taken up today, the unlisted?
Today.
Right.
Madam, bail,
Yes, it was filed yesterday only, but somehow it was not listed.
bail matters.
May it please, Lordship. My lord, item number 26, for hearing. I beg to mention that, my lord, I forgot to bring the paper book. Yes, 26.
That is up to 21.
I'm sorry, 16.
16.
16. Hemanta Buragoy,
Yes. Criminal appeal.
my lord, after vacation.
You are not ready.
Yeah. Actually, paper book is missing, so I need the brief of
Paper book
the
is
case.
missing from record or from?
From my chamber only.
Yeah.
Obligement.
You took one. Yes, please.
Item number 3.
3.
I think I'm acting on behalf of the special PTO SIP, the petition. So due to some personal difficulty, we couldn't cover. Kindly this matter will be taken after vacation.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. Conducting counsel, Mr. P. Tafo had to leave the premises due to some personal difficulty, Lordship. It may be taken up after the break, ensuing puja break.
You for the respondent.
Yes,
Who's the petitioner?
Lordship, I am.
You have no objection.
No objection, Lordship. Lordship, there is an interim order, Lordship. May we continue?
deeply obliged.
May I, your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 1. As my leading, yes, as my leading counsel is out of station. And I have taken the concern of other parties. I'm for the respondent.
You for the respondent.
Yes. It may be taken up to 4 weeks.
Anybody for petitioner?
No.
Anybody for petitioner? No. Yes. Then you have.
Yes, sir.
That's when it's fine, no?
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5.
Fine.
Yes. A fixed date may be given, Your Honor.
Yeah.
A fixed date may be given, a date.
A date.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I'm on behalf of the petitioner. It should have been listed in the admission column previously. But somehow it has been listed on this order stage. And so that's why we are praying for a fixed date, that it may be fixed on 4th of October. I have taken the consent.
4th of October of, in admission column.
Yes, my lord.
Well, your Lordship, maybe after puja break, Your Lordship, because they are supposed to file the affidavit also. In the meantime, let them file the affidavit and let the matter be listed on 7th of September, Your Lordship. November. After break, Your Lordship, for final.
After break,
Yes. 7 November.
wrongly listed in order column.
Yes.
So pray for time to,
Yes,
who is going to file affidavit?
Yes.
The respondent.
Respondent, yes.
In the mental respondent. File an affidavit.
much obliged.
1/7.
Oblige you.
7/11.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 up to 10, my lord.
7.
Yes, 7 up to 10, my lord. I'm for the respondent, my lord, on behalf of all party, my lord. Kindly matter may be list after 4 weeks, my lord.
7 for orders.
No, 7 up to 10, my lord.
7.
7, 8, 9, and 10, my lord.
Oh, all, look, this
Yes,
is
my lord.
7, 8, 9, and 10.
Yes.
You're for the petitioner.
No, I am for respondent, my lord. I have take consent from the petition, my lord. Oblige, man.
May I, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 13. The conducting council is not in the station, therefore this matter may be withdrawn and placed after puja holiday.
Yeah, Mr.
I'm J Koyu on behalf of Mr. D Kamduk for the petitioner.
D.
Oblige.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 on behalf of T Tagu. I have taken consent from the other party. Matter may be listed after puja vacation.
D. Come.
T Tagu, Tamo Tagu. Much obliged.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 2.
Yes,
Item number 2, my lord.
2.
Yeah, that may be adjourned for today and matter may be listed after 4 weeks. Much of.
You're for the,
I am for the respondent.
you're for the respondent.
Yes, I have taken question from the other party. Much of.
May I, Your Honor?
Yes,
Your Honor, I'd like to mention item number 11. Item number 11, the leading counsel due to his urgent work, he couldn't appear before this court. So this matter may be listed after 4 weeks. And I am from the petitioner and I've taken the
you're for
consent.
the petitioner.
Yes, Your Honor. And I've taken the consent of the other parties. And Your Honor, the interim may be continued.
Interim.
Yes, Your Honor.
Interim.
Oblige, Your Honor.
Okay.
May I, lordship,
Yes,
I'd like to mention item number 12.
12.
Hmm.
This is the only thing. Everything is mentioned.
On behalf of T Tapak.
On behalf of
T Tapak.
T.
Tapak. Abhi Tapak.
You're not ready to continue the matter. Everything is mentioned. Why did you? I don't understand. Okay, 12. Everybody is out of station. Or not? Yes. Anything?
Yes, this is an amicable settlement.
Which one?
No, item 12. It is, they invoke for 82,
For?
82. For causing of the proceedings only.
So what do you want?
Any fixed there?
They pray for time.
Up to 4 weeks. His submission.
4 weeks. Yes.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I like to mention item number 6, my lord.
6.
Yes, my lord. On behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. D. Pango, my lord. Due to some personal difficulties, he could not attend the court today, my lord. So matter may be, my lord, listed after puja vacation. I have taken a consent from other party.
Quashing matter.
Lordship,
It's a quashing matter.
no,
You're for the
I'm for the
respondent.
petitioner, I'm for the petitioner, your lordship.
You're for the respondent.
I'm for the petitioner, your lordship.
You're for the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
You're for the respondent.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
This criminal revision has been filed for setting aside the order passed by the district court, district and sessions court. This is a maintenance matter, your lordship.
125.
Yes, your lordship.
The case is fixed for party. Today is fixed for the order.
Yes, your lordship. This can be fixed for hearing, your lordship.
Next day.
Yes, your
So
lordship.
you can pick up the matter. Yes. Item 6.
Next date, after puja break, this matter can be taken into.
Six. The service is complete.
Yes, your lordship. Only sole respondent. Respondent is the husband of the petitioner, your lord.
Record received.
Yes, your lordship.
Not so and so. None counsel for the petitioner and none counsel for the respondent. LCR is received. Scan copy, no? Scan copy of LCR. List the matter for hearing. Final hearing. Final hearing.
After puja break. After puja break.
After vacation.
Obliged.
Obvious, ma'am. Your lordship, there was an interim in item number 15, interim may continue.
15.
Yes, my lord.
15 is a hearing matter.
Yes. Much obliged.
Revision petition is dismissed.
My lordship,
Dismissed. Yes.
I live.
My lord,
Yes. Yes, please.
yes, my lord. My lord, this application has been filed under section 482 for quashing of FIR. My lord, this case had arisen out of civil case. My lord,
Same case.
civil case, my lord.
Civil.
Civil case. My lord, there is a land dispute between the private land owners of Manu Polyang and Dilo Polyang and the government. And the matter is pending before this honorable court, my lord. And there is an order for maintaining status quo in the land in question, my lord. And during the pendency of the matter before this honorable court, there was a meeting conducted by the All Hong Development Committee, my lord, on 19 June 2023. In the meeting, a Gawura has given a speech. It was a happy speech, my lord. He has encouraged to carry out DAPO and community eviction, my lord. Community eviction means the land dispute which is pending before this honorable court, in which order has been passed for maintaining status quo. In order to defeat that order, they want to carry out eviction, my lord. So a notice was served to the Gawura, who has given hate speech, that
Hate speech.
yes, hate speech, that in case anything happened because of speech given by him, then the entire loss that has suffered will be liable to repay by the Gaubura, my lord. Then at the time of giving that notice in the evening, I was offered tea also by the wife of the Gaubura. And the discussion was quite in a congenial atmosphere, my lord. There was not even hot argument. But my lord, after about 10 days, an FIR has been lodged against me, stating that I have trespassed in his house and I have threatened him and the people of the Hong village. So, my lord, in the FIR, there are 49 signatories, 49, my lord. And out of 49 signatories, 3 has been strike off before lodging FIR, 3. Then 13 persons who have signed in FIR, but signed in FIR, no, their names are in FIR, but they did not sign. And 18 persons, they have withdrawn their FIR, my lord. This is the case, my lord. So the case which has been already withdrawn by some of the people, the FIR cannot be maintained, my lord. It is not maintainable. So this present application has been filed for quashing of the FIR, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
FIR page number, my lord, 55.
20?
Page number 55.
50.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
The FIR says, first information report. Sir, with due regard and humble submission, it is to inform that Sri Takhe Tamo, son of late Takhe Tajo of Hong village, who is serving as Deputy Director Industry, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, posted at 0, accompanied by Srimati Takhe Rita alias Tage Rita, wife of Takhe Tamo, trespassed the house of Sri Tiling Duri, SGB. SGB stand for Head Gaubura, my lord. Come Secretary, all Hong Gaubura Gauburi Welfare Association in the late evening of 4/7/2023 by treating the house owner to be his younger brother by calling him Ate Duri. At that time, Sri Tiling Duri and his wife were sleeping by closing the door. While calling him as Ate Duri, he thought to be urgent works with his younger brother, as it was already late evening. After trespassing and intrusion into the private house in the late evening, he, Takhe Tamo, served a notice for the speech delivered in the meeting of 19 June 2023 at Tapil Lapang to Sri Tiling Duri SGB, come Secretary AHGBGBWA, alleging that he had initiated and instigated for execution of traditional Dapo. Whereas he was speaking on behalf of entire Gauburas and Gauburis of Hong village and conveyed the decision of all Gauburas and Gauburis in a form of opinion in a meeting. The entire length of his speech did not violate any norms and nowhere he spoke anything wrong in the meeting. We, the Gauburas and Gauburis of Hong village, are tirelessly working to restore the enclosed government land donated by the people of Hong village at Manipolyang and Dilapolyang, which was notified in a Gazette notification dated 18 August 1986. Next paragraph. After trespassing into the house of Sri Tiling Duri SGB, Sri Takhe Tamo threatened with dire consequences of shooting with the firearms on the day of traditional Dapo to the people of Hong village for execution of traditional Dapo for breach of trust and violation of deed of agreement of 14 September 2022 by the land encroachers as decided by the people of Hong village on 19 June 2023 as per terms and conditions of deed of agreement. Such life-threatening intimidation is criminal act as per law of the land which is to be taken appropriate action to Sri Takhetamo as per relevant section of law by the law enforcing authority with iron fist. It is therefore requested to book Sri Takhetamo for his criminal act by trespassing and life-threatening intimidation to the Secretary, AHGBGBWA, Sri Tilingduri, HGB, and enter people of Ong village to kill with firearms on the day of traditional Dapo as per appropriate and relevant sections of law, IPC, under the criminal law at the earliest, please. This is the contents of FIR, my lord.
Yes, please, additional people.
So petition has annexure causing withdrawal of some of the complainant in the FIR. But that cannot dilute the,
Civil cases are also pending between the parties, no?
yes, even though, but there's a
Maybe we call for the case.
CD,
Okay.
criminal indicators, yeah,
Charge sheet has been submitted, no?
No, madam.
and notice be issued to the opposite side.
For 82 CRPC, that's one. For portion of a fire in connection with 0 PS case number 23/23 under section 448/506, no?
Yes.
448/506. For the sorry. If you notice to the respondents, no?
Yes, madam.
Respondent number 1 is that is state additional
Yes.
presenting. You have so many respondents, no? 16 numbers of respondents.
Yes, madam.
Issue
60.
notice to the respondents. The petitioner shall take steps on service of notice to the respondents with registered ready as well as equal process written up within 4 years. This be taken within 7 days. Is anything else?
My lord,
Anything else?
no,
Issue
madam.
notice. Issue notice only
Issue notice and call for the record.
for the,
Hmm.
not record,
Stated.
case diary,
Yes.
case diary.
Case
uh,
diary,
under
case diary, case diary.
Because charge sheet has not yet been submitted.
My lord,
Call for the case diary.
yes, my lord.
So list the matter after 4 weeks.
My lord,
List the matter after 4 weeks.
after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged, madam. File 439 of CRPC. In connection with Alo PS case number 31.
How many days he was in jail?
Accused was arrested on 10/7/2023. 10/7/2023. He has been in custody for last 72 days.
I've received the case diary, your lordship. Case diary is there, your lordship.
This one is there.
Yes, your lordship.
What is the allegation against him?
Allegation, your lordship, in connivance with the main accused is still absconding, your lordship. They have misappropriated the public money, your lordship. And the transaction has done in the account of the present, both the present accused, your lordship. And through their account, they have sent certain amount to their family member also, your lordship. And main accused is still absconding, your lordship.
Ten seven, then 10/8, or 3 days. 409, 90 days, no?
90 days, your lordship. If it is live, then
One co-accused has been released by the learned district and session judge Alo. On on 4/8/2023. There is annexure for page number 22 to 25, Your Lordship. 22 to 25, Your Lordship.
22.
So it start from 22, ends on 25. Altogether, there were 4 accused persons. Out of 4 accused, 1 is absconding, the main accused, against whom FIR was lodged by the department. The rest were being arrested on the basis of suspect. In FIR, their name has been not, only just on suspect, their name has been stated. Here one, Hirok Pegu was released on bail on 4/8/2023.
On a condition that he will refund the amount, Your Lordship, to the office.
It's a government employee.
Yes, Your Lordship. They all are government employees.
All are government employees.
Yes.
Where he
Lordship,
was working? Where he is working?
they were working as a dark runner, Your Lordship.
In a grip, Your Lordship.
Contingency, dark runner,
Grip,
like
grip, Your Lordship.
computer.
Grip, in grip, Your Lordship.
BRTF.
BRT.
Casual paid labor as working as casual paid labor and working as dark runner at account
Dark
office 44 BRTF allow.
So contractual labor.
Contractual,
Yes,
Your Lordship, and
yes.
moreover, they were not interested and authorized to generate any transaction on that day. In FIR also, if Your Lordship, I would like to take Lordship kind attention on FIR is annexure to page 11 to 14. Here also,
Page 11.
page 11, Your Lordship. Lordship, if may I read, Your Lordship?
Yes.
To the officer in charge, so and so, FIR in regards to fraudulent payment of made through so and so, that with due regards, it is intimated that a request for lodging FIR on the above subject matter has already been submitted to ROPS by office letter event number dated 8/7/2023. Here, however, reconciling fraud transaction made during the previous month, it is received notice an amount of 64,17,693 approximate was fraudulently disbursed from government account to several bank account past process of reconciliation is still being carried out, and details of this above mentioned fraud transaction.
His name is not in the FIR.
Yes,
Not in the
Jagdish
FIR.
Dole name is there, the man accused who is being still at large, he's not been arrested. absconding.
Name is there in the FIR, Your Lordship.
And-
Serial number 2, serial number 4. Present
Four.
accused. 2 and 4. Yes, it's a regular bail. It has been, Your Lordship, filed by the relative of the accused. They are the accused here, Your Lordship. Their involvement is there. Their account has been, Your Lordship, also account detail is there where transaction has done. And in their statement also, they have considered that the transaction was done in their.
It's granted to one person
Yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
Your Lordship.
out of 3
Hirok
Yes.
Pegu,
stations.
yes, Hirok
Or-
Jyoti Pegu was granted bail. Here, if you see
Serial
Pegu,
number.
Hiraj
Hirok,
Jyoti.
Serial number 3.
the other two, the alleged accused persons, their transaction in their account, the amount is not too much, that is. Hirok Jyoti Pegu was released that on the death, he will return back the amount.
Bank transfer to the name of his wife.
Yes, Your Lordship. It has been transferred in different account, Your Lordship, in their
Different
through the present accused. The main accused is the Jagdish Roy. He's still at large, Your Lordship. His location has not been traced out yet, Your Lordship.
This. Yes, anything?
Here, dear
See
Lordship,
that, yes, that is there, your lordship.
Yes, please.
Here, Lordship, in the second page of the FIR, in the last paragraph. It is,
FIR.
FIR, it is also written that in view of the above considering loss of government money, it is again requested to please lodge an FIR in this regard against Sri Jagdish Dole. Jagdish Dole is the main accused person who have misappropriated with the amount. Page number,
Well,
annexure to page number
12.
12. Here it is specifically mentioned about Jagdish Dole.
This, yes, but there is an allegation against them, no? They have transferred.
Yes,
their
your
account.
lordship. Your lordship, I've marked the statement with the name, your lordship, present accused, your lordship. It's a very bulky because bank statement, everything is there. Your lordship, the name is of the present accused is marked in the plague mark, your lordship.
This one.
This is for easy reference, your lordship. May kindly peruse the status report. Here, the brief has been given, your lordship, their involvement.
Receipt of the amount they have distributed.
Yes, your lordship.
The-
They have disbursed into the family relatives, your lordship. It clearly shows their intention, your lordship.
He wrote, that this bill was fronted, no, only
Yes.
2%.
Yes, on the condition that he will return the amount.
He returned it.
On the condition, your lordship, that he will return the amount to the,
Amount that-
yes, only on
But
that
bill
condition.
was fronted.
Yes,
Here, your lordship, alleged accused person, on their account, there was a transaction of rupees 1,39,000 and another was of only 51,424. The remaining, the whole amount, rest of the is with the Jagdish Dole, who was the man involved in this case. And they were only being arrested on being of
No,
suspect.
receipt of the amount was credited to his family
Yes,
members,
yes.
wife and others also.
And I
Sister-in-law and
I-
Divorce Honorable received in his account 10 lakh something.
yes. your lordship. Section 34 is there, common intention, your lordship.
And IO of the case have also not seek for further custodial interrogation. They are now in judicial custody. And since for last 72 days, they are fully cooperating with the IO of the case.
Considering anything to remain.
Only the 409.
Your lordship, only now the issue here is the main accused is absconding and they are associated with the main accused. So their release may stifle the, your lordship, the fear investigation because it is now the investigation authorities is finding difficult try all the attempt to trace out the location of the main accused, your lordship.
Here,
if
one
they
of the
release again, they'll-
accused have already been, your lordship, have been arrested.
They were in
Released.
jail for last
72
72
days.
Yes, your lordship.
Whether the further custodial interrogation is required, that is required.
Your lordship, custody
On the
interrogation,
part of their investigation, I think your lordship has been completed.
Well,
yes, they have disclosed everything. Only your lordship, the apprehension at this stage, is the main accused is not arrested. So once, if suppose they release your lordship, they are again reassociate with the main accused and it will be difficult to find out the main accused only for that reason. Otherwise, your lordship, other part has already been done. Because the main accused was only not arrested and there is a possibility that again they will be reassociated with the main accused and
it will be difficult to trace out the main accused, Your Lordship. Jagdish Roy.
Your Lordship, all the accused are from Assam. They have their permanent address, everything. There is no chance of exclusion. One co-accused has already been released. After that, there is no any that they are associated or
Condition
Employee.
that they
with
return the
strict,
money.
strict condition, Your
They are-
Lordship.
You are ready to return the money?
Yes, they will return the money if they get granted bail. Now they are
On
in
that
the- they are
condition, Your
now in
Lordship,
the-
on that condition, Your Lordship may consider. However, Your Lordship, the strict condition for
With strict
one local
condition.
security must be there, Your Lordship, because
Wait,
local security
security.
and with a condition that if they willing to pay back the amount, then only they can, because if they are asking for parity, then it has to be go along with the other earlier bail which has been granted to the co-accused, where he has undertaken to pay the amount, Your Lordship.
Already he had returned the money.
That is, Your Lordship, not on the record, whether he has paid or not, but if he has not returned, he definitely state will file, Your Lordship, condition, cancellation of bail for condition violation.
That must return.
Yes, with strict condition that he'll cooperate to IO, will not leave the territorial jurisdiction.
Addresses one, so learned counsel for the petitioner. Your additional. people.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Every for the state responding. The bail application has been preferred. On behalf of two respondents, no, two accused. that is-
Two accused, Your
That
Lordship.
is for Kalyan Buragohai.
He is the authorized person.
Authorized
He's
person.
the applicant,
Yes, applicant, accused is different, Your Lordship.
Lucky Nandan Burgohai.
Accused is
Lakshminandan Borgohain is the
Lokinan
accused. Yeah.
Borgohai.
And another,
Another one is,
Shiva Sonowal, Your Lordship.
another is in another bill application.
Yes,
yes,
yes.
Pranjal Sonowal is the applicant and
Separate bill applications
Yes,
for the.
Yeah, two separate accused.
Shiva Sonowal.
Lucky Nandan Burgohai in connection with Allu Police Station case number 3123 under section 409 34 96. It is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that the accused has been, not petitioner, for the accused, alleged accused. That the accused has been detained in custody for last 72 days. And the money has been. And the bank account has been frozen, no?
Please,
Yes, Your Lord.
And the money has been seized. Which are the subject matter of the transaction in the case? Now this is backdrop. The further custodial interrogation of the petition accused, alleged accused is not included in the case. It is further submitted by learned counsel for the alleged accused that the accused is now ready to return back the money which has been credited to his account by the then accused Jagdish Roy. On the other hand, in response, learned additional copy has submitted that as per case diary, I has selected sufficient incriminating material second scheme. However, considering the period of detention,
FIR was lost.
Lokindan Borgohain was arrested on 10/7/2023 and Siva Sonowal was arrested on 13/7/2023.
3 days
3 days
later,
difference. Your
after lodging the FIR.
Considering the period of detention. And as also. It would have. Fact that. The accused is ready. To. To return back the alleged amount. We should credit it in his account. That is provided. But bill shall not go to the petition, sorry, alleged accused not petition. With a condition. The following conditions. 50,000 with sureties. With 2 sureties of the like amount.
Is it local
One of
security?
which
Yes.
is, one of which will be a government. Government employee, yeah. Which will be a government employee, and the conditions, no?
Your lordship, one condition, maybe your lordship, the accused shall be directed to furnish working mobile number
Okay.
and shall appear before the IO as and when called for. Your lordship.
Your lordship, I would like to pray that instead of 50,000, if.
50,000 is,
25,000, your lordship,
No,
because
no.
they are dark on a.
Oblige, your lordship.
Okay.
20 and 21, no, both, 20 and 21.
Both.
In connection with same.
In fact. CDB. It's a original CD, no?
Yes, original, your lordship.
So
That may,
CDB return back.
that may be reflected in the order, yes. Sir.
Everything?
Oblige, your lordship.
My lord, may I? My lord, is an application under section 438 for granting of
438.
pre-arrest. Yes,
CD receipt,
Your Honor,
so that's the first day,
no,
no, already granted.
yes, interim has been granted him. Oh, Your Honor, on
CD Yes, yes,
5 of September 2023, interim
Please.
bail was-
was granted to the.
yes, interim bail was-
To the accused, no?
yes, yes.
So he was asked to appear
Yes.
before the IO.
Yes, the alleged accused appear before the IO within 2 days, Your Honor. And 161 statement has been
His
given.
statement was recorded.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This one, this one. To be made absolute.
Lordship, as per there's no such much independent lordship, and moreover, lordship, the other co-accused also been granted bail already, as is the buyer. But some terms and conditions may be
In that
imposed.
period, he has not misused his liberty.
Lordship, this is
We made the absolute.
lordship, and with certain term and condition lordship, whenever they need, there's a lordship.
Amulya Bori, no?
Yes. Mine.
Or Mrs. Swanson. Re-arrest bill. In who is apprehending arrest in connection with BDW. What is
Yes,
BDW?
Pandadeva Police Station.
Bandardoa.
Yes.
Okay. Bandardoa Police case number, PS case number 3423 and the section 3 IPC. It is submitted by learned counsel for petitioner that pre-arrest bail was granted to the petitioner by this court. And as per direction of this court, the petitioner has appeared before the IO and his statement has already been recorded. He has not misused his liberty during that period and cooperated with the investigation. So considering the fact the pre-arrest bill granted to the petitioner to make absolute. None additional copy has also submitted that. So answer. So
much obliged.
Like,
It's an original one.
Lordship,
It's an original.
no, it's original one, Lordship. I
sorry.
have to give it back.
Case diary to return. Okay. It will do.
Lordship, maybe I don't know, this, detained custodial detention need not be, Lordship. It not require any.
What's the terms and conditions?
Lordship, Lordship.
Isn't it? Seven.
Ma'am. Hello, can you have a look at office note dated 22/12/22?
Appeal.
Yes,
Appeal against a conviction or a.
no, madam, appeal against an order by which my
Conviction
complaint case was dismissed for non-prosecution.
dismissed for
Non-prosecution, complaint case. Madam, although the service notice
The
has been served,
respondent
respondent, madam,
not
therefore,
appear.
they are not appearing.
Notice has not been served.
Served, madam, office note
Notice?
dated 22/12/22.
20?
22/12/22. My lord, may kindly have a look at it.
22/03/23.
No, my lord, 22nd December 2022.
22nd December 22. Service report. That is received by OC Daporejo, not the person.
No, my lord, service notice was served through OC Daporejo.
Received by so and so. What is the name of the person?
Madho Sera, my lord.
Mado Sera.
Yes.
Mado Sera.
Therefore, my lord, it has been listed for hearing. If my lord allows, I will argue. It's a very,
Yes, please.
I'm for the appellant,
Yeah, for the petitioner.
appellant, yes.
What is the order?
Order, my lord, will find it. Page number 18.
1/8,
1/8, impugn
1/8.
1.
Two. The date of order is 2/5/22.
2022. If my lord allows,
So in your absence,
in my,
as the complainant or did not appear before the.
that was the singular default.
Only single.
Singular default. If my lord allows, I will narrate the chronology of the events leading to this appeal.
To be disposed of today,
Yes, my lord.
not Mrs. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And the petitioner has filed an application under section 374 of CRPC against the impaired order dated 2/5/22 passed by the learned CGM Daporejo, whereby the complaint case number BRJCR number 01/20 2020.
20 minutes,
2020
2020.
under section 4017 IPC was dismissed for non-prosecution. The case of the petitioner is that This is an appeal, no?
Yes.
The appeal, so not petition or appellant. The appellant as complainant had filed the complaint case being DRG CR number 1/2020 under section 420 IPC against the respondent accused before the court of law at CGM Rampur region. The Learned Trial Court, by the order dated 14/3/2022, took cognizance of the offence under section 417 IPC and issued summons to the respondent, that is accused person, respondent/accused. Subsequently, on 2/5/22, the respondent, the appellant was absent. The appellant was absent and the Learned Trial Court dismissed the complaint case for non-prosecution. Next, it is submitted by Learned Counsel for the petitioner that the absence of the complainant on this is a single occasion, no?
Single occasion.
On 2/5/22 was the only singular default on part of the complainant. And the same occurred due to inadvertent mistake of the counsel in wrongly noting of the date of the case as 2/5. As 25/22 in press 2/5/22. Our counsel, the counsel of the petition, appellant was also absent on that day.
Also absent. He had come down to Itanagar for some domestic work.
Okay. It is further submitted that the appellant has been diligently prosecuting the complaint case by remaining present on all the previous dates except on 2/5/22. And the appellant cannot be meant to suffer for default, if any, of a counsel. Then I appeals for the respondent. As per office, no date is
22nd December 2022.
22nd.
December 2022.
It reflects that. No, 14/12 passed, 22nd. From the record, it reveals that notice has been properly served to the respondent. In spite of that, the respondent did not appear before the court. Considering that, in view of the fact, as the respondent has made no objection on the prayer of the petitioner. So. What is your prayer? To restore the case?
Yes.
Prayer of the petitioner is allowed. The order dated 2/5/22 passed by the Learned CGM Rampur region is set aside. The case number so and so, CR case number so and so, is restored to 5. The learned CGN, so and so is directed to proceed with the case in accordance with law. The appeal is disposed of.
Nice. Much okay.
My lord, I'm extremely sorry that earlier I mentioned item number 13, but I forgot to mention the interim order that may be continuing.
Interim is there.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, it's all right.
This is an
Yes, yes.
application under 438 of CRP7 for pre-arrest period.
3 years.
My lord, this is in.
Anybody is appearing for
My
other
lord,
side?
well, my lord.
State.
Yes. My earlier, Lordship may kindly have a look at the typed copy of the FIR. It's not very legible. Page 14. This is in connection with fake appointment only
Take appointment.
of 28 primary teachers in Longding district.
Okay.
Now, page 14 is the typed copy of the complaint, my lord. Itanagar chairperson of fact finding committee, so and so and so. Fourth paragraph, Lordship may kindly see. As per the fourth paragraph,
Okay.
as per the fact finding committee report, fake appointment orders appear to be duly signed by the then director of elementary education, Sri Tapi Gao. Fake appointments were shown to be made on the basis of recommendation of Departmental Promotion Committee held on 28/9/2020. Names of 28 fake PRTS, names noted above, posted in Longding district were not found in the recommendation of the DPC of so. Appointment of 28 PRTS in Longding district are fake and illegal. Along with the approval letter and the FFC report so in original. Following documents have been forwarded to SIC Vigilance Itanagar. List of 28 illegal appointments. So this is in connection with the illegal appointment. The person who has signed the appointment is Tapi Gao, as the Lordship has seen in paragraph 4 minor. Is the director of elementary education.
Bill was granted on
Yes,
medical, on
yeah.
medical ground. Yes.
Medical ground, and subsequently when CT was produced, thereof the Lordship was pleased to confirm it finally. That is also at page 29
Page 29. Page
Yes.
29 is what?
is the final order for making the order after. In fact, your Lordship was pleased to mention that initial order was not really in the nature of an interim order, but then fact remains that case diary was produced. And even after that, Lordship was pleased to confirm that, and bail application was disposed of.
That is why, that is not interim order.
Yes,
So bail was granted.
Granted,
to
granted.
that
No,
person.
what I'm saying is
So
CD,
after that, CD was produced.
CD was
What
produced. Yeah, no, no.
by this court?
What I'm saying is, my lord, even in the CD also, they could not say something which, for which the bail, they have not.
This is for the case diary.
Yes, my lord.
Heard so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. So and so is appearing for the. Here for the standing counsel,
No, my lord, I'm the special public prosecutor.
special public prosecutor. Application for 38 CRPC. Seeking pre-arrest bill, who is apprehending arrest in connection with SIC in bracket VIG. Bracket closed, PS case number 2/23. Under section 120B, 420-409-468-471 IPC read with section 13 in bracket 2 PC Act. Call for the case diary. Yes, take this.
In the meantime, Lordship will protect because two things are there. First of all, he is not the main accused.
After appraisal of case diary.
I'll just
Yes, please.
make one submission, madam.
Yes.
First of all, he is not the main accused. Person who has signed the appointment orders.
So if nothing will be there in the case diary, you will get the bill. That is.
No, well,
Fine.
what I am saying is, well, now he has been issued a notice under 160. He has to appear. He wants to appear. You will only protect him. Because right now he's in Delhi, he has been
He's in Delhi.
operated.
after
26,
some more
Lord.
days also,
On 26th, my lord.
26.
26th.
26 night. It's a short period, no problem.
In the meantime, Lord, we'll protect you because I am on the same ground with it.
Yes, not on the same.
I'm like.
Anything?
26.